In this video, we're going to show you how to track call tracking analytics in Vendasta. If you're looking for an easy way to monitor and optimize your call tracking campaigns, stay tuned because we'll go over everything you need to know to make the most out of Vendasta's features. Now, you can actually try Vendasta completely free with an exclusive bonus by using the link in the description below. So stick around because I'm about to show you how to dive into your call tracking data with ease and improve your results. Let's get right into it. First things first, what you'll need to do is log into your Vendasta dashboard. Once you're logged in, head to the call tracking section of the platform. This is where all your call tracking data lives. Next, look for the Analytics tab within the section. You'll notice that it provides a detailed overview of your call performance, showing you key metrics like call volume, call duration, and even conversion rates. You can filter the data by different time periods like day, week, or month, allowing you to track trends over time. The third thing to note is the ability to view call recordings. Vendasta allows you to listen to the calls directly from the dashboard. This is super useful for evaluating call quality and making sure that your team is handling calls effectively. Simply click on a call entry and you'll have the option to listen to the recording. This feature is gold when it comes to refining your marketing efforts. Next up, you can also integrate call tracking with other Vendasta tools like your CRM or reporting features. This integration means you can sync your data for better insights, making your marketing efforts even more powerful. It's an easy way to see how calls tie back into overall sales performance. Now, let's talk about setting up custom reports. If you want more granular insights into your call data, Vendasta lets you customize reports to track specific metrics that matter to your business. You can create reports by campaign or source and set up automated emails to receive regular updates. This way, you never have to manually check your stats again. The final thing to mention here is tracking call attribution. Vendasta's call tracking analytics are not just about the data, but how you use it. By attributing calls to specific campaigns, you can see exactly where your leads are coming from and how well your marketing is performing. This is critical for making data-driven decisions that boost your ROI. So there you have it. That's how you can track call tracking analytics in Vendasta with ease and optimize your efforts. Remember, you can try Vendasta for free and get an extended free trial by clicking the link below. Don't miss out on this exclusive offer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out that link for your free trial.